Recently, guys, I got this plant. It's called the parlour palms, and it's a pretty nice plant. I named him Ranger, or her, depending. But it's sort of like a mini bamboo tree, which is kind of nice. It grows pretty slowly if you want like slow growing plant. And today I'm gonna run you through some tips and tricks to keep your parlour palms plant alive. So you don't want it in like direct sunlight, but it does like some sunlight. I got mine on the mantelpiece, like near a window, which is pretty nice. Another one. You also want to give it rainwater only, which is okay. Like, I live in Britain, so like it rains pretty often if you've ever been there. And yeah. The reason why it doesn't like tap water is it's not very good for the plant. It's an indoor plant, not an outdoor plant as well. So if you try to plant it outdoors, it will die. It's pretty basic stuff, really. And green. You want to try and get a green one, like mine. Like mine are pretty green. You don't want to like a greenish yellow one, then it will, because that means it's kind of dying. But I got a nice green one. I've only got like a few patches of really light yellow on there. Nothing too bad. But it doesn't like direct sunlight, as I said. And yeah, it's just a really nice plant to have around. Yeah. I bought it for £8 at Garden Centre, which is good price. And you don't want to drown it like most plants. And if you get a pot a little bit too big, you over fill it, like the water wouldn't go down, or it will. But the thing is, if it can rot the roots if it stays at the bottom of the plant, which I learned. So you can also do the finger test if you want. So just dab it on the soil. If it feels a bit moist, just leave it. But also, if it's dry, you want about 2 to 3 centimeters of water on top of it to keep it healthy and alive. And yeah, that's how to keep your parlour palms plant alive.